get Grandpa.
Go get Grandpa.
Good morning. It's another beautiful Sunday, and we are out here at Elkhorn Slough. We've driven by this place so many times, but never stopped in to pay a visit. It's a reserve area for wildlife. There's a beautiful estuary, as you can see, and there's countless birds and different aquatic life that live here, and we're hoping to get in on a little bit of the wildlife action. Hopefully we'll get a couple sightings of some birds or some sea creatures. So let's see what we can get. About 30 minutes into the hike here, and still really haven't seen much in terms of wildlife. Maybe one or two birds, no sea animals yet. I think it's probably due to time of year, or maybe coming the wrong time. We're here in the morning, so the grounds are still absolutely beautiful, and just for plain easy hiking, especially for a little one, it's nice and flat and well marked. So I'm definitely enjoying the hike. I just hope we would see a little more wildlife. Have you seen any birds yet?
Just one duck.
Just a duck. Have you seen any birdies yet?
Is there?
Did you see any birdies?
The stingrays want to eat this, and the birdies want to eat the stingray.
The birdies eat the stingray.
Oh,
wow.
okay. Say hi! With hi! Ah, your ribs are falling off! One. Oh, wait a minute, you're starting ahead of me. Wait a minute! Wait a minute! Oh, so fast! Well, I think that about wraps up our morning at Elkhorn Slough. Hit or miss with the wildlife, but definitely in terms of photography, just a great place to go. A lot of beautiful compositions and different things to look at, so highly recommend it.